Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to download Interactive Brokers Desktop step by step. I'll be showing you this on Windows. First, you need to get to the download page. Open your web browser and go to interactivebrokers.com/en/trading/ibkr-desktop-download.php. Once that loads, you'll see the IBKR desktop download page with two version options at the top. Now, choose which version you want. You'll see two buttons, Latest and Beta. Latest is the stable version that includes all available features and updates automatically. Beta is the pre-release version that changes frequently. For most people, Latest is the right choice. Click on Latest. Next, click the Download for Windows button. It's right there on the page after you've selected your version. The installer file will start downloading to your computer. You'll see it in your browser's download bar at the bottom of the screen. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder. You can do this by opening File Explorer and clicking Downloads in the left sidebar. Look for the IBKR desktop installer file. It'll be a .exe file with the IBKR desktop name. Now double-click on that installer file to run it. If Windows Smart Screen pops up with a warning about an unknown publisher, click More Info, then click Run anyway. This is just a standard Windows security check. The file is safe. The installation wizard will appear. Follow the prompts on your screen. The installer will guide you through the process and set everything up for you. Once the installation completes, look for the IBKR desktop icon on your desktop. Double-click that icon to launch the application. The login screen will appear, asking for your IBKR username and password. After you log in with your username and password, you'll need to complete IBKR key authentication on your phone. Also, the application will automatically check for updates every time you log in, so you'll always have the latest features. And that's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.